Everybody hates my jacket, so I'm wearing it today. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Coco, do you know what today is?
Yeah, Boxycharm.
It's not Boxycharm, it's Ipsy, but she's close enough, right? Yeah, it's Ipsy Day. We actually filmed some videos earlier. That's why Coco's got the makeup thing that she's got going on right now. And this is my new jacket that everybody seems to hate, so I decided that I would wear it and I would show y'all. Let me know what you think. But I'm actually gonna go change my shirt now because I don't want to get makeup or anything on my new jacket because this is kind of expensive. Okay, so this month we have the Stay Golden bag. There we go. And it's actually, I actually really like this bag compared to a lot of the bags that we've been getting. It feels pretty heavy duty. Let's see what we've got in here. Card that says Stay Golden. And then the first thing I see is from Complex Culture. This is a rose quartz gua sha sculpting stone. Whoa, this is full size and retails for $28, so $30. You get a little pouch that buttons up and then the stone is in here. I'm not gonna open this because I'm gonna probably sell this on Poshmark, but I'll put a picture up here of what it's supposed to look like. I already have a few different items that are similar to this and I just don't use them, so I feel like I could just part ways with this one. Although I do think they gave us an eyeshadow palette from this brand before and I loved it. Let me see. Okay, they did. They gave us this eyeshadow palette and this is ideal for light to medium skin tones. Doesn't have a name of the palette on here, but this was the palette that we got before in Ipsy from that same brand. And I remember I really liked this. It was like these three shades go together, those three shades, and then those three shades to make a look. But I knew the packaging looked super, super similar to something, which was this. The next thing we have is this Tarte Sea Jelly Glaze in the shade Toasted Coconut. This retails for $16. This is a full-size product. It says here on the website, this lip mask gives lips a huge hit of hydration thanks to the hyaluronic acid and vegan squalane. I don't know that word. I don't know what that even is. Together, these ingredients draw moisture to your lips and lock the moisture in for up to 12 hours. So it just says apply a thin layer to your lips as needed. I'm always down for some more lip treatments and lip balms. Oh wow, there's some color to it. Let's see. Okay, kind of rubs out sheer, at least on my skin tone. Like you can see some shine, but that's about it. Let's go over the lipstick of the day really quickly. It's actually not a lipstick, it's a lip balm. I had lipstick on earlier when I completed this whole look and then I took it off, but it is from Fresh. This is a sugar poppy shade. I don't know. I love these. I always talk about how much I love them. For a lip balm, there's just so much pigment in these and they are actually super hydrating too. So I love these. And they have SPF 15 in them, which I'm just now realizing. But I will link that and most of the products that I use today. I'll link it all below. Okay, we have this from Half Caked. We normally get lipsticks from them. But this isn't, I want to say this might be the first eyeshadow palette I've ever got from them. This is one of those, it's not a floppy disk, right? This was what came after the floppy disks. Shh, Coco, you're so loud today. Anyway, this is Your Eyes Only 8 pigment palette. This is the front, looks just like the box it comes in, and then you get 9 shades here. These are actually really pretty shades. Oh, and the names are cute. So we have Disk Space, Get It Off, X-Files, OK Computer, 2 on, Nanotechnology, Buffering. Do y'all remember Buffering? Because I remember Buffering. Payload and Digital Get Down. Let's swatch these. That's why I wanted to change my jacket, y'all, so I could swatch them. They feel actually pretty nice. Oh, wow, y'all. That's okay. That's the first row. Let's just go. They feel really, really nice. Oh, wow, look at that color payoff this way. There we go. Look at that. That's nice. And then we have this one, this one, this one, and this one. They actually, like, I really like how they feel Oh, wow, that's pretty. Look at that. This, y'all know copper. That's like my thing. And then we have this last one here that's a berry shade. Coco, don't color on the mirror. She is putting, I have a Vanity Impressions mirror over here, and she is putting her lipstick on there.
That's for real.
Yeah, no, you don't do that. That's not nice, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have this last berry shade here, and... Whoa! Oh, do you see that? Do you see that bad boy? That is mother effing beautiful. Oh my freaking gosh. No, that's nice, y'all. This is, I am overly pleased with this. I am surprised by this. I am glad that I got this. I'm happy in general with this one. Let's put it that way. Oh yeah, look. Oh, everyone, look what Coco did to her palette. She put a dot of lipstick in the middle of each shade. The next thing that we have is the Rihanna Lipstick. This is a Stunna Lip Paint, Longwear Liquid Lip Color in the shade Unlocked. I generally would not go for a shade like this, but out of all of the options, this was like the best option, so I picked it, but I probably won't be using this at all. So I may end up listing this on Poshmark because I don't anticipate, this is, for one, I have a lot of shades that are already like this and I don't wear them, so I picked it because it was like the best option that they had at the time. But this retails for $25. It is a full-size lipstick, a vivid pink liquid lipstick, feels weightless on the lips, dries down to a soft matte finish, won't flake or settle in the fine lines, and lasts up to a full 12 hours. Y'all, so my jacket, I love that jacket. My mom got it for me from the UGG store. Well, I asked her to pay for it because it was expensive, but she did. And then when I got home and I like went upstairs and I showed my husband, I was like, hey, look at this new jacket. And I was wearing it and I was all like, yeah. And he was like, why would you buy that? And I was just like, because it's awesome. That's why. Clearly no one else has any sense of taste. My sister, I was on FaceTime and I was like, hey, what do you think about my jacket? You like my jacket? She was like, oh yeah, that's nice. And I'm like, you like my jacket? Yeah. Good, thank you. So I knew she was lying. My mom thinks it's hideous, and I'm pretty sure whenever I show my brother, he will agree with all of them. But Coco likes it, and I like it. And Leora likes it. And so that's, you know, the people who matter there, they like it. Anyway, let's get into this last one. This is the Golden Hour palette, Beauty for Real. It's a mango butter eyeshadow palette. That actually sounds really nice. This retails for $36. I've literally never heard of Beauty for Real. I don't know. This is what that palette looks like, and I love the shades, but y'all, that blue shade just completely throws me off. It could be because I'm never gonna use a shade like that. I don't know. There's a mirror. It's cardboard, magnetic, feels pretty sturdy. The shades look nice, but if I'm looking at it realistically, I would probably, like, maybe I would use this shade. Maybe I would use the top row and then the two browns. I definitely wouldn't use these two. I don't think that this is a palette that I'm going to gravitate towards. And if y'all have been keeping up with us lately, I have been trying to get rid of stuff. Like, not buying as much stuff, not keeping as much stuff, doing some declutter. So I did a declutter video. I'll link that below. But then I gave the girls some of the stuff that I decluttered, and I had a huge stash for my niece that I gave her. So I think I'm going to go ahead and list this on Poshmark. I'll put my Poshmark and everything. Everything will be in the description if you want to check it out. But this is full size, $36 eyeshadow, from velvet matte shades to shimmer metallics and chrome toppers. See, I'm not big on, I don't know about chrome toppers. I mean, they're beautiful. I just don't, I normally stick to like a shimmer and a matte. I'm pretty much a basic bee, you know? They're inspired by the sun's rays during golden hour. I guess that's why the blue comes in. I don't know. Can be a mix and match to create an array of illuminating eye looks. I don't know. Let me look at it again, y'all. I mean, it's pretty, but realistically, I know that this will be a palette that I declutter. And I've just now recently started reaching for palettes that I have not used, because I have so many palettes that I literally have not used. It's pretty, but I'm gonna list it. Just like this is the palette that I used to create the look that I have today, and this is the Pat McGrath Mothership 8 in Divine Rose 2. That's a long ass name. But I had never used it, and I've had it for, I don't know, a month or 2 months, and it's just like, I want things that I go out of my way to get, things that I look at and I think I love that. I want to start using those things instead of them just sitting there. So, this palette's gorgeous. The color story, everything is just so freaking me. The packaging is cute, but I love this color story, and I love how many looks I can create with this because I know my style. And I love this shade in here. It's giving me, was it the Valentine's palette, the teddy bear palette that Too Faced came out with, had similar shades to this. There was another palette too. I can't think of it, but I like this color story. This one, I'm just like, So all in all, I'm happy because this is freaking gorgeous, and I could always use this. So I already got the value there. And these things, I mean, you know, I can sell them on Poshmark, and I'm not at a loss as far as what you pay for this. Like, the bag is $25, right? So these two items on their own are $32. So that's already more than the bag costs. And then if I do happen to sell these, then great, I've made a profit. And if I don't, and they're just, you know, on Poshmark for a while, nice brush, then I can just take them off Poshmark and move them to, you know, a giveaway or something like that. For me, I feel like the value is there, and this palette is life to me. I think I'm going to use this palette next. I'm going to leave this on my desk so I can make it a point to use that palette. And then again, I feel like this is one of the few bags that I actually like. I don't know. I like it. I don't know. I like the vibe that I'm getting from this, so that's cool too. Anyway, before I start to rambling, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell. Bye. Yeah, we knocked it out of the park. Thumbs up, Coco.